friends, it's Jen, and I hope you all had a wonderful holiday, restful and nice. So, it's a gloomy day today. It's been very gloomy. A lot of rain was pouring this past couple of nights and days. We're getting plenty of water, which I'm really thankful for. So today I have quite a few chores I need to get done. I need to rummage through our winter clothes and sort them out. I'll probably just do a little of that and then hang them up and put them away. Clothes box. Let's see what we have in here. This here, back in 20. Oh, look what I found. Gloves. Okay, this jacket is a nice wool jacket. Nice and heavy. It's a London fog. And I found this at a thrift store back in 2016. I think this was $8. Nice and heavy, and it is wool. Blue, friends, blue wool pants. Yeah, so 99% wool and 1% spandex. Okay, so I have most of my items unpacked and hanging here in the closet. And here's this jacket. This one I found at the thrift store. And it has to go in sunlight because you could barely see right here. This thrift store that I went to, they would put the prices on the tag. See that? So that's $3.50, friends. I paid $3.50 for this jacket because somebody let it, I guess, what do you call it, peeling? When it forms all those bubbles. I mean, not bubbles, but those lint balls, or how do you say when you're, I think a lot of you know what I'm talking about. But this whole backside, the whole backside of this sweater, front and back of the arms, both arms were full of it. That's why they priced it at $3.50. Like I said, I took it home and gave it a good shaving, and now it's like new. So it's laundry day. Well, not necessarily, I don't have any days assigned to laundry. However, if you remember last couple of videos, or maybe a couple of weeks ago, I cleaned the laundry room. And I said I needed to at least organize and clean this shelf. So guess what I'm doing today? Yep, it's time, friends. It's time. Okay, so I guess what I'll do is just start taking everything down from here. And gotta clean it, wipe it down. They had a really good deal, I think it was last year at Dollar General. I bought 4, but I think we've already finished up one. So I have a supply of fabric softener. Look at the filth. Boy, being short, you don't really see what's going on top of your, look at that, wow. I'm showing it to you, it's real. I ain't showing you no perfectly maintained shelf. have the top shelf is clean, and as I was cleaning, I was thinking I could put something on top that I can just put in the wash if it gets dirty up there. And this is one panel that I thrifted, and it's just one panel. I was going to use it to accent a window, but I never did, so I thought it's pretty long enough that it probably will work for putting on the shelf. So let's go ahead and try it. Actually, let's do it the other way. That way the fold is facing this way. So just repurpose something that I'm not readily using. So I thought this would be a good idea. And I'll probably just fold this over. Okay, so far so good.
7 days, 7 nights since my hair got cut and dyed. And I've had 7 days since I tried to rip a chapter out my mind. I've tried, and his laugh was just as soft as yours, smiling just as wide. He could be what I like, and his voice is just as dark as yours, freckles just as light. Could be what I desire. Still feels like my hands are tied, hands are tied, hands are tied. Cause he's got those stranger eyes, stranger eyes, stranger eyes. And he could be what I like, what I like, what I like.
Finally got it done, and it looks better than it was before. So it'll stay a lot more organized, and that ended up being a storage box, and this ended up being the cleaning supplies. So there we go. So this is ticked off my list. It's about lunchtime, so I'm taking a break, and I made me a salad with some tahini dressing. Okay friends, so here is my salad, my lunch break here. I don't want to drop anything, but it's got alfalfa sprouts, olives, kale, red onion, green beans, steamed green beans, cucumber, bell peppers, the rainbow of bell peppers, tomatoes. It has red cabbage, and some of my dried dehydrated mushrooms. Want to make sure I get this tahini sauce. Oh, tahini sauce, did I say? I put tahini sauce. Tahini with a little smidge of butter and some garlic powder and a little pink Himalayan salt just to give it flavor. I think that's it. I think that's everything that I put in here. And clover and alfalfa sprouts. I love clover and alfalfa sprouts. The only thing missing is sugar beets. My mom used to always love to go to places that had like salad buffets. She'd go to like the Sizzler, or I don't know, she didn't go to no sweet. There was a A&W root beer, I think, at the time. I think A&W root beer at the time. From what I could remember when I was a kid, they had a salad bar in. Did they ever have? I could have sworn, unless it was a restaurant that took over A&W root beer, the restaurant, but that was her thing. She would always build her salads. She would add, she'd put olives, sugar beets would go on it because she used blue cheese was her favorite. So the blue cheese would turn, the blue cheese turned pink because of the sugar beets, and I loved how that looked. So I always done that. I always use blue cheese and beets when I go to those salad bars. I like salad bars. Yum. Okay, I'm gonna get eaten, and I will visit with you in a while. Okay, so that that's tasty. So next year, one thing that's on my list for next year, actually next month, I do have an eye exam to go to because I need to get new glasses, new lenses, new frames. I'm not too sure what kind of glasses I'm looking for. I know I want something a little more well, these are rectangular, but not as big, maybe a little bit more smaller. I really like the tortoise shell pattern, but I don't know, we'll see. So that's not until mid-January when I have my appointment. So next month you'll probably see me in some new glasses. It depends on how quickly they arrive. May not be till February. But this salad is delish. So lunch is over, and it's been quite a while since I haven't vacuumed or cleaned behind that refrigerator. So guess what we're gonna do today?
Oh, I thought you were dancing. I didn't see the fridge. Okay, friends, so I got a few things ticked off my list that were important to me, and they're done for today. I thank you so much for watching, friends. I will catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.